Welcome back, everybody. It's been a beautiful few days out there. Yesterday, we got to see lots of sunshine. One or two showers popped up along the coast, and today, everybody has been perfectly clear. Lots of sunshine across the area. No rain for your Thursday, and we are going to continue that dry trend for the next few days. We're taking a live look out over the Myrtle Beach Boardwalk right now. You can see a lot of people enjoying the great weather that we're seeing. We're seeing a nice light breeze out of the north-northwest at 9 miles per hour. That means more dry air is moving in. So all of those dew points, that humidity, look at that, only 36% humidity right now. That is much drier than what we're used to for this time of year. Those dew points are down into the 50s, so it is very comfortable, even with that temperature sitting at around 87 right now. Across the area, everybody is in the 80s. 84 for Conway and Marion, 87 out towards Florence, 86 up towards Laurinburg. But again, with those low dew points, it is very comfortable, and all in all, a beautiful afternoon. Lows overnight tonight will be back down into the 60s, even cooler than what we saw for this morning, down to 66 for Myrtle Beach. Conway looking at 61 degrees, same for Marion. Florence will be dropping down to 62 degrees. Our cold spot, that's going to be Laurinburg. They're going to start off their Friday morning right around 60. Tomorrow, back up on the warm side, and unfortunately, we'll start to see a bit more moisture starting to move in as early as tomorrow afternoon. Those temperatures will be mostly in the 90s, right around the coast, getting close to that 90-degree mark, but probably topping out in the upper 80s. But with that little bit of extra moisture, you'll be feeling things are just a bit warmer. Now, we're dealing with nice high pressure hanging out overhead for the rest of today and into tomorrow morning. Throughout the day tomorrow, it'll start to move a bit further off the coast. That's going to lead to a little bit of that extra moisture moving in for the second half of the day. And then by Saturday, that high pressure is really just too far away, and we start to see some more tropical moisture returning to the area. A couple more clouds will also start to pop up for your Saturday. But what I want to point out is this low pressure system by Saturday morning kind of sitting down into the Gulf. That's potentially our third tropical system for the year that will possibly be named Claudette. As we take a look at that tropical outlook, you can see still an area of just kind of unorganized thunderstorm development. That being said, it's over some very warm water, prime conditions for this system to get more organized. About a 90% chance over the next 2 to 5 days of tropical development. It's going to trek further up to the north right now. Again, this would be Claudette if it does get a name, if it does actually reach that tropical storm strength. Moving onshore somewhere around the Louisiana coast, and then starting to make that turn towards our direction. Now, the good news is it's going to be kind of torn apart by the time it gets to us, but it will be bringing us more chances for rain, and that will be next week. By about Sunday into Monday is when some of that rain will start to move closer to our area. So for next week, we'll be seeing more chances for some storms out there, also cooling down just a bit. That hot spot on Saturday into the 90s. With that extra moisture, it's going to be very hot for the first half of this weekend. By Father's Day, we start to cool down, but we also see the return of the rain.
Thanks a lot.